Sounds can provide notification and interaction feedback to VR users, which are critical in delivering an immersive experience. However, acoustic information in VR environments may be inaccessible to deaf or hard of hearing individuals. Therefore, it limits their ability to experience VR content fully. With this challenge in mind, our prior research presented a sound visualization system called SoundVizVR, which aimed to make diegetic sound in VR more accessible for deaf and hard of hearing users. This system can visualize sound characteristics in VR near an object and minimize sound indicators. Meanwhile, it can visualize sound types of sound sources using text and icon representation methods. Based on the proposed method and findings from our previous work, we developed a SoundVizVR plugin for the Unity platform. This plugin enables developers to use the SoundVizVR system in their VR applications and games to improve audio accessibility. To use the SoundVizVR plugin in a project, developers must ensure at least one game object serves as a spatial sound source in the scene. After importing the plugin, developers have to define descriptive icon and text for the sound source and configure properties for the plugin. Then, you can see the sound indicators displayed in the scene at runtime. To evaluate the usability of the plugin and how it impacts the accessibility perspective of VR game developers in their work, we conducted a week-long exploration with 2 game developers. Here, we asked the participants to integrate the plugin into their existing VR project or build a new VR game utilizing the plugin's features. This preliminary study contained a pre-study questionnaire, a week-long study process, a post-study questionnaire, and a follow-up contextual interview. In our study, the participants developed or optimized a VR treasure hunt game and a VR volleyball game using our plugin. Both participants reported that the plugin was intuitive to use and could easily be integrated into a VR project. And after using the SoundVizVR plugin in the study, both participants indicated that the developer experience with the plugin had changed their attitude toward accessibility. According to the observation and analysis of the study process, we identified the implication of our work from 3 aspects. For more details, please refer to our paper.